1 year, naka 1 season ka na as a host. Tapos, ano yung mga natutunan mo na gusto mong i-share sa kasama mo sa online hostings na si Mavi?
Una po sa lahat, again, I'm so thankful na mapabilang pa rin sa pamilya ni Kuya. Honestly, I thought hindi na ako makakasama for this season. But I was so happy to get the call na I'm still part of this season. Lalo na, collab pa. Who wouldn't want to be part of this season, diba? So, thank you, Lord. And again, thank you po kay Kuya talaga. And sa pamilya ni Kuya, I'm very happy to be with them again. And siguro, sa 1 year ko po as an online host, ang mabibigay ko po siguro na advice kay Mavi is to learn how to balance all the fun and when it's time to be serious. Kasi may times kapag nag-host, since everything's live, it's like you're always on your toes, thinking of what to say, what to banter with your co-host, or with the housemate, or with the audience. And may times na sa sobrang enjoy mo, nakikarried away ka, baka may masabi kang hindi dapat. So I guess it was also a learning, a lesson for me to know when to balance na, okay, serious na ako, and yung fun lang, and yung pagiging seriousness as a host. So nakuha mo ba yun, Mavi?
Roger that, architect.
Okay.
Isa na lang kay Melay. Melay, ano ba karamdam mo na mapapanood ka na ng mga kapuso viewer?
Oh my God! Maraming salamat sa katanungan mo, Mars. Sobrang love ko talaga to si Brixie. Sobra akong happy. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity na makasama ko din si Mavi at saka si Kabi sa pamilyang ito. And siyempre, mapanood tayo sa Kapuso. Hindi din alam kung matatanggap pa tayo ng Kapuso, pero I'm very sorry, Kapuso. Wala na makakapigil nito. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. Ilalaban na nito. Pero isa lamang ang masisiguro namin, sasayahan namin ang Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition. And basta ang maging hindi ko na, tapos na.
Tapos na yung
Vix, abangan mo, meron kaming guesting. Nakita ko na online sa March 7 sa Family Feud.
Tara!
Oo! Abangan niyo.
Wait, Team Melay ba? Team Melay?
Yeah,
Team PBB.
Team PBB
Team
Collab.
Si Melay yung leader ng team.
Hindi ko ulit si Ate P.
Si Gabi. Siyempre, siya ang nag-welcome sa amin, sa Kapuso.
Pero masaya yung episode. Abangan niyo si Ate Melay sa kung ano sasabihin niya sa jackpot. Kung mananalo kami.
Pero for sure, pupusuan naman ng mga kapuso itong PBB collab.
Salamat.
Pero may tanong pa ako kay Marcos. Ayan, busy si Marcos.
Ay, Sir Marcos, may tanong daw.
Uy, crush natin lahat si Sir Marcos.
Ako, gusto ko lang crush na si Sir Marcos.
Crush natin ng bayan dito.
Oo nga, correct. Pwede siyang housemate, no?
Yes! Alam mo ba, si Sir Marcos ang pumunta sa akin sa bahay sa Jensan? Nung nag-audition ako niya, si Sir Marcos tapos boss ko.
Siya nag-immerse.
Siya sobrang crush ko talaga.
Tsaka tama ba? Mula season 1?
Hindi lang siya pang housemate, pang houseband yan.
Yeah.
Material.
I love you, Sir.
May mga pakan siya.
Attorney Marcos? Yes, Sir Marcos.
Pero ayun nga, kamusta yung audition process? Nahirapan ba kayo? And ano yung mga klase ng celebrity housemate na hinahanap nyo for this season?
Hindi kami nahirapan kasi nga ito naman directed talaga yung yung hinahanap na it's coming from Sparkle and Star Magic. So they came up with a list. So they invited their celebrities to be interviewed by us. And just so you know, mga around 92 yung in-interview naming celebrities, but around mga 36 yung nag-final casting. But kung ilan talaga yung papasok, yun yung kailangan yung abangan kung ilan sila. But the casting process was really interesting for us, and it's like any other casting process na we were looking for the right mix, we're looking for the personality. Yun nga, sabi ng mga host kanina, it's not just about your credentials as celebrities, it's more your story, your personalities in the mix.
How about the formats? Pasabog ba yung format? Kasi 20th anniversary ito.
Okay, sobrang pasabog yung format this season. I can say na whatever mechanics will be done this season, it's the first time that we'll be doing it for Pinoy Big Brother. So please, abangan yan. Nasa first week yan, malalaman yung big pasabog for this season.
Yes, exciting.
Juicy, yes.
Pili ko yung format o hindi kasama si Mel.
Opening lang pala ako, no?